Hi, welcome to my channel. I am coming here to vlog about my experiences having been diagnosed with lupus, sarcoidosis, fibromyalgia, Bell's palsy, cataract. Anyway, I just wanted to go over what I'll be talking about. I'll be vlogging how I feel, how I don't feel, and also changing my diet again. So I'm going to try to do more of a plant-based diet, and I'll be using my Vitamix blender that I just got, and my Bella juice machine, and eventually a dehydrator. But anyway, so hopefully I won't go completely over to the standard American diet. I'm trying to do as much veggies and different things as possible. No meats, no red meats, and things of that nature. So anyway, thanks for stopping by, and I have many more things to come. Talk to you later. Bye.